Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The channel dedicated to celebrating confidence, elegance and timely style for women over 50. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the most inspiring over 50 fashion icons. Dolly, the nylon fashion sensation. Today, we're thrilled to feature the fabulous Dolly, a true inspiration, redefine fashion and beauty for mature women. At over 50, Dolly is proving that style has no expiration date. She embraces ageless beauty and timeless fashion, ensuring women everywhere to wear what makes them feel confident and empowerment. Her Instagram page at Dolly.69 has attracted over 105,000 followers, where she shares her love for classic fashion, nylon outfits, and high health, all while celebrating the beauty of the over 50 lifestyle. Dolly is known for her passion for nylon fashion, showcasing the elegance of stocking, things, and hosiery in a way that elevates every look. She blends vintage glamour with modern style, creating outfits that exude sophistication and confidence. Her love for high heels adds the perfect fashion touch. Whether it's classic pumps or stylish stitches, her footwear choice ensuring her graceful and bold fashion statement. Dolly represents natural older women who embrace their age with confidence and pride. She stands as a role model for body positive, ensuring women to feel beautiful in their own skin and wear what they love without fear or hesitation. Her fashion journey isn't just about looking great, it's about celebrating maturity, self-expression, and breaking adult beauty norms. As a top over 50 model, Dolly has become an influential voice in the world of mature fashion. She is a fashion content creator who proves that confidence is the key to looking and feeling amazing at any age. She continues to inspire women to step into their power, embrace over 50 style, and live with elegance. If Dolly's journey is inspiring you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you and goodbye.